when you see him and him wife, you know, man. One to turn up over this and one turn up over here, you know. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I came across this video this morning and I think I should share it. I find it to be very, very funny. It's extremely funny. So I'm going to play it and read the comments. The comments is what really takes me though. Actually, whether or not it is the truth, I really don't know. But the comments is what grabbed me. So listen to this. I'm going to play this tape now. A prime minister, a man who loving family, a good man who love Jamaica, listen, yeah. A good man who know what to do for the women in this country. When you see him and him wife, you know, man, one to turn up over this and one turn up over here, you know. When you see him and him wife, one to turn up over this, and one turn up over here, so. All right. And when she kissing, he don't wipe it up. And when she kiss him don't wipe it up. Here you know. This man loves his woman. This man loves his woman. We are going to give you the man who raised you. Mark Jefferson Golden, the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. Alright, so Miss Nikisha Burrell, this attack. So come go down in the comments now. Hear this one now. Drunk crow. All the plans of the PNPs on the internet. Go look them up and read them. Like how they look up JLP plans. So she a call it drunk crow. Yes, sirree. So this other one says, this dig deep. So I want PNP, this I respond. This dig deep into the hearts of every single labourite and I love it. Time come. Big up yourself, Nikisha. So sorry I am not there to support you. Yes, Queen, but I want to hear our next labourite now. What, where, and when? It's tug of war time again. And you're gonna vote now. After this election, you're not gonna hear. Mike is not Prime Minister. Who believe this? Brap. Power to the people. Mikey, show it. Mark, show your bird paper. Alright. So that is, I saw your man them treat you, Nikisha. Woman that. Okay. So a lot of people in support of what she says. Time come to end green. So that is how they are going to move Jamaica forward. PNP don't have nothing to talk about. This is what I say, shut your ass. Alright, Yeti. Me like how he give you a bumper lift. These are not my words. I'm just reading the comments. Alright. And they call one name, Matey. Me like how he give you a bumper lift. So obviously, they're saying she have somebody else, gentleman. And he give her one work on her bottom there. Like which woman? And then fight Portia and Lisa. And fight out Portia for 2 years. That me know for sure. She gave, but Portia was strong, so she stand up. Portia stand up with her back brace against wall. And get where she did out forget. So somebody says, Miss BBL of South. What you talking about? The next Prime Minister of Jamaica. You know, shame now. Okay, well, this is after the election that they said that. So we should vote for him because he love woman. Hatta, I think this person want to say, utter, hatta rubbish. He should love his country. Hatta rubbish. Tell me, what are some of the plans they have? Well, all right, Mr. Hatta rubbish. Yeah, but I found this one this is the one that grabbed me drunk crow. You can know, so this person never really have nothing else to say. More than just say drunk crow. Eh? Exact drop words and no plan. This is PNP business, not JLP business. The same plan that's driving Andrew. Keep on borrowing. All you do is drop words. Yes, my people. So this is what I saw. I found it very funny. So I said, let me just share it. Miss Nikisha. Is she same one me just say a crime? I need to talk about that too. Excuse me. Nikisha cry say the PNP, the labor right them. Now they don't have fear era nothing after the hurricane, but I am going to play that clip and we talk about it because that would be really sad. And Bell Pepper knows part if that's what he's doing. I hope not. I know them love to play politics in Jamaica all the time. And they really don't care because the people keep voting for them. So you wouldn't be surprised if that's what they're doing. They're focusing on their area first before they venture out in the PNP area. It wouldn't really surprise me. I'm not sure if that's what is happening, but that would not surprise me. And I am going to play her clip because she was crying and we talk about it. Okay, my people, good morning again and thanks for watching.